In a small village, there was a boy named Imran. He liked to have fun and often wasted his time on things that didn't matter. Because of this, he fell behind in school and struggled with other important parts of life. His family and teachers kept telling him to use his time wisely, but he didn't listen. One day, an old wise man named Hakim came to the village. He was famous for his knowledge, and many people wanted to learn from him. Imran decided to visit the old wise man, hoping he could tell him how to do better than his classmates. When it was his turn to meet Hakim, Imran said, "Please, help me. I feel like I am a failure. I'm falling behind in everything, and I want to do better. Can you tell me how I can be the best?" Hakim looked at him kindly and said, "Imran, your problem is that you don't value your time. You waste it and leave important things for later. Let me tell you a story to help you understand." Imran listened carefully as the old wise man started his story. The story of the merchant and the treasure. Once there was a merchant named Bilal. He was a good man, but he was very lazy and always delayed important tasks. One day, the king of the land called him and said, "Bilal, I will let you take as much gold and jewels from my treasury as you can carry, but only before sunset." Bilal was excited and hurried home to tell his wife. She said, "Go now and take the treasure." But Bilal replied, "I'm hungry, let me eat first." After eating, he felt sleepy and said, "I'll take a nap and then go to the treasure." But he ended up sleeping for hours. When he woke up, the sun was already setting. He grabbed a sack and started running to the palace. But on the way, he felt tired and sat under a tree to rest. He fell asleep again. When he woke up, it was too late, the sun had set, and the palace gates were closed. He missed his chance because he didn't value his time. Hakim finished the story and said, "Bilal missed the opportunity because he wasted time. He thought there was always more time, but he learned too late that time is precious." Imran understood his mistake. He thanked the old wise man and promised to change his ways. From then on, he worked harder and stopped procrastinating. He started using his time wisely and soon began to do better in school. His family and friends were proud of him. Time is one of the most valuable things we have. We cannot get it back once it's gone. If we use our time wisely, we can reach our goals and be happy. But if we waste it, we will miss important chances. A traveler understands the value of a minute when he misses his train, and a student realizes the value of a year when they fail an exam. Those who value their time can achieve great things, while those who don't will fall behind. So, use your time wisely, complete your tasks on time, and enjoy moments with the people you love. Success comes to those who respect time. What did you think of this story? Share your thoughts in the comments and share it with others. Thank you.